Hello everyone, my name is Martin Linksfeld and I am Master Chef in FoggyKitchen.com. In this video, I will showcase how it is easy to build OCI flexible load balancer with Terraform. Now, if you choose flexible as shape, then you will be able to define minimum and maximum bandwidth of your load balancing configuration. When workload is coming to your website, OCI will react to the traffic and shapes will be changed on the fly adapting to the circumstances. So now there is no need to redeploy load balancer when your customers are growing very quickly, or in opposite, you have significantly lower traffic and you don't want to pay for bigger shape. Okay, let's move quickly to the code and then let's see how all of that works in OCI Cloud Shell. I hope you'll find it useful for your current and future work. Okay, here is my local copy of the repository for building the configuration with flex shape for load balancer. Here is a topology diagram, so let me show you a few things. First of all, we will have two web servers. We have this bastion host, and of course we have this load balancer which will be built for us, so nothing pretty complex. And now let's go directly to load balancer code. So here is a resource OCI load balancer which will be used by us, and here is a new thing, right? We are defining shape as flexible, and then we are defining minimum and maximum bandwidth for our load balancer, so 10 and 100 megabits per second, and that is all. And now I will move directly to our Cloud Console. I am now in a Cloud Console, in a Cloud Shell, and let me just clone this repository into my Cloud Shell. So I will type git clone and this address. So let me make it bigger. Now I can go directly and into the directory of this repository. Let me type Terraform in it, and it will download all necessary providers, so plugins. I will add this command to set up variables, and let me fix a few things regarding Cloud Shell, because as you remember, Cloud Shell is pre-authorized, so free variables are not needed here. And also the same thing for the provider, so user, fingerprint, and private path. And now we can run Terraform plan, and let me see what Terraform is planning for us, right? So yeah, here we have 27 resources to be added, right? And let me scroll up just to find the load balancer. And yeah, here is the load balancer. And as you can see, we have shape details, minimum and maximum bandwidth, and the shape itself is set to flexible, right? Everything is ready. So let me run Terraform plan, Terraform apply. And after a while, we'll have yet another plan, and then we will be asked for approving, right? I will type yes, and yeah, the provisioning has started, and let me wait when it will be finished. So I will pause now. Terraform is finished, so here we have the IP address of the server of the load balancer, and I can check it, and yeah, it is switching back and forth from web server 2 to web server 1, etc. And yeah, let me verify what kind of a load balancer has been built for us from console perspective, right? So I will go to proper compartment, which is here, And you see, we have flexible shape. And in a configuration, we can see minimum and maximum bandwidth, right? And this is exactly what was expected, right? We will have min and max bandwidth in megabits per second. And that is all for today. Thank you and see you soon.